Good morning and welcome to Murmu Biology. We were seeing Jharkhand eligibility test life science detailed solution. Question number 72. Question number 72 says, in a freshwater lake ecosystem, experimental reduction of a planktivorous fish population was followed by a measurable decline in phytoplankton biomass and overall primary productivity, isn't it? So this is the image that the question is telling. Reduction of planktivorous fish results into reduced predation of zooplankton and then increased bio, reduced predation on zooplankton and increase in the number of zooplankton and thus reduced biomass. So this is the question data. Okay, this observation suggests that changes at a higher trophic level indirectly influenced primary producers through alteration in grazer abundance. Okay, so this data shows that if primary producers are decreased if the primary consumers are uh, left uncontrolled, isn't it? So which of the following ecological hypothesis best explains the pattern of regulation of primary productivity? So this is also the same image, isn't it? So when the apex predator is controlled, or if excessive fishing is done, then the planktivorous fish that consumes on the phytoplankton, isn't it, or the zooplankton, that lead into increases. The primary producers lead uh, to decrease in number due to the increase in the planktivorous or zooplankton, isn't it? So this is a model of top down control, isn't it? So let's say what the options are. The option is bottom up control. So bottom up control is the control of the producers, isn't it? The more the number of phytoplankton is, then it result into the more number of fishes, isn't it? So the the whole atmosphere is controlled by the enrichment of the nutrients, isn't it? The more the nutrient is present, the more phytoplankton is present. The more phytoplankton is present, then more zooplankton is present, and the more zooplankton is present, then the number of fishes is more. So this is controlled from the bottom, and this is known as bottom up control. So this is not the option that we are searching. Eutrophication, what it is? Eutrophication is the uh, increase in the external nutrients source due to fertilizer runoff or sewage input into the water ecosystem, may it be a river or a pond ecosystem. Then it increases the algal bloom. This condition is not related with our question, isn't it? So if the agricultural runoff is there, and then the nutrient runoff is there, the fertilizer or the fertilizers use, the DDT and so on, when they are all flushed into the river ecosystem, and that result into algal bloom, that is production of more and more phytoplankton, and that result into decreased oxygen, and that result in uh, what do we say, the death of fishes due to oxygen depletion inside the river, isn't it? So this is not the correct explanation of the question. So option number C is what we are looking at, isn't it? So if there is reduction of planktivorous fish, if due to excessive fishing or any other reason, then it results in the reduced predation of zooplankton. As a result, the zooplankton numbers are increased and the biomass is decreased. So this resembles our question data, isn't it? Here is a simplified version. If the top predator fish is captured or it is decreased, then the intermediate zooplankton is increased, and that increase leads to phytoplankton decrease, isn't it? So this is top down control. Okay, and again you can see in this cheetah production, top down control on cheetah population. If the apex predator is high, then they will lead to decrease in the cheetah population, isn't it? Because they will hunt down every cheetah and they will not let it hunt in their region, isn't it? So this is also an example of top down control. And last of the option is what it is? Trophic pyramid. So trophic pyramid is nothing but the energy chart, isn't it? So the plant or the primary producers accepts or absorb 100% of the energy, and at each trophic levels there is a 10% loss in the energy levels, isn't it? So the primary producers have, let's say, 10,000 kg of biomass, then the biomass is reduced into 1,000 kg, and then again in secondary consumers the biomass remains to 100 kg, and the primary and the tertiary consumers it let it remains into 10 kg, isn't it? So this is the trophic pyramid, which is also not relevant. So here is the correct option is top down control, isn't it? In a freshwater lake ecosystem, experimental reduction of planktivorous fish population was followed by a measurable decline in phytoplankton biomass and overall primary productivity. Here is all the explanation, isn't it? And the observation suggests that changes at a higher trophic level indirectly influence primary producers through alteration in grazer abundance. So when the fishes are lowered, then the grazers become active, isn't it? Zooplankton grazer becomes active and the phytoplankton then decreases. So this resembles our questions, and the option is called, this type of control is known as top down control. Okay, so here is the literature part, you can go through it. And also here one of the text is present with the wolves, isn't it? So wolves are also incapable of bringing down adult moose. Adult moose is like a big deer is known as, like these organisms such as big deer, they are characterized as a, that moose is a big deer kind of what do you say, organism, isn't it? If it is in good condition, the it can outperform the wolves, isn't it? So this is a example of bottom up control, isn't it? So you can donate 1 rupees fee as a fee and help us root and grow with us. Thank you. Subscribe and download for offline viewing, and stay tuned for more